everyone, today we'll discuss about the part 5 of the important notes for the biochemistry so that you can easily able to answer the one-liners and the MCQs in your exam. First of all, the most widely distributed glycosaminoglycan is the dermatan sulfate. Glycosaminoglycans, which are synthesized mainly by the arterial smooth muscle cells, are the dermatan sulfate. Dermatan sulfate in excess is responsible for the atherosclerosis. Most abundant glycosaminoglycan is the chondroitin sulfate. D-laxose is a pentose sugar and is a constituent of the laxoflavin isolated from the human heart muscle. The oligosaccharides attached to a number of integral membrane and secretory glycoproteins are attached to the proteins either through the O-linkage to serine or threonine residues or N-linkage to asparagine residues. Chitin, principal component of the hard exoskeleton of the arthropods, consists of beta-1,4 linkages between the N-acetyl glucosamine residues. Lectins, they are carbohydrate binding proteins which play an important role in the recognition and the attachment. The examples of the lectins are ricin, hemagglutinin or the cholera toxin. The lecithins participate in binding of the nitrogen fixing bacteria and also in the purification of the glycoproteins and also in the adherence of the E. coli to the intestinal epithelium. Polar glucose actually crosses the lipid bilayer membrane through the glucose transporters. Phosphorylation of the glucose is done for the entrapment of the glucose inside the cells. SGLT1 or the sodium glucose co-transporter 1 is for the glucose and the galactose transportation in the kidneys and the intestine. Sodium glucose co-transporter 2 is only for the glucose transportation present in the kidneys. The GLUT1 or the glucose transporter 1 is present in the brain, placenta, kidneys and also in the red blood cells. Glucose transporter 3 is present in the brain, placenta and the kidneys. Glucose transporter 1 and the glucose transporter 3 are active during the fasting state, whereas the glucose transporter 2 is active during the fed state. Hypoglycemic action of insulin is via the glucose transporter 4. Only glucose transporter 4 is insulin dependent as it requires the glucose transporter 4 on the membrane of the peripheral cells. Glucose transporter 1 is most abundant in the red blood cells. Major glucose transporter in the neurons is the GLUT3. Rate at which the glucose, there is a solute, enters a cell via the glucose transporter or we can say facilitative transportation depends mainly upon the number of the GLUTs, concentration of the glucose and the affinity of the GLUT for the glucose. Glucose is the main energy source for the brain, red blood cells, retina, cornea, renal medulla and the testes. Red blood cells can use only glucose in the fed, fasting or starvation. In any condition, red blood cells can only use glucose. Glucose is the universal fuel for the fetus. So today up till here, we'll discuss about the further important notes for the biochemistry and further videos. Thank you so much.